Many people have a hard time believing that it is possible to make $10,000 per month after only 90 days. They have tried a few different approaches in internet marketing and have not made a single dollar. So how are they going to make $10,000 in 3 short months? If you are one of these people, then consider this. There have been people that have followed the method described in this training that have made more than $10,000 by the end of 90 days. There are others that have made $10,000 a month faster than 90 days. It's certainly possible. What is the difference between these people and the majority? They took consistent action and followed the plan precisely. Here's where my advice for you comes in. With my advice, you are going to learn how to shape your mindset so that you are motivated to take daily action. You will understand that there are great opportunities to make money online if you use the right methods. You will understand that you need to be prepared to invest your time, your effort, and some money to make this work. You are going to find that all you have to do is follow the instructions. You will understand that you can change your life for the better starting right now. To make it easy, I've put together a step-by-step guide that will show you exactly how it's done. Introducing 10K Blueprint, a step-by-step guide to earning $10,000 plus per month in 90 days or even less. No stones are left unturned when you get your hands on this now. You will become a complete expert on this, and you'll get everything you need inside to do the same. Here's just a quick preview of what you'll discover inside. Shaping your mindset. Why you must choose the passive income model. List building and email marketing. The math for $10,000 per month. Developing your list building plan. Creating the right image. Setting up your sales funnel. Your traffic plan. Promoting offers to your list. Leveraging your list. Plus a whole lot more. This is the easiest way to actually earn $10,000 plus per month in 90 days or even less. Who needs this step-by-step guide? If you answer yes to any of the below, you need this. You want to stop failing with internet marketing. You want to find a method that works. You want to be motivated to take daily action. You want to change your life for the better. You want to earn $10,000 plus per month. Does this sound like exactly what you need? But maybe your question is, how much? If you were going to hire an expert on this to show you how it's done, you could easily find yourself investing hundreds of dollars for this sort of coaching. In fact, many people invest hundreds and thousands of dollars to get into coaching programs or attend workshops. But you won't have to invest anywhere near that today. And it just keeps getting better. When you make the wise decision to grab this today, you'll also get these fast action bonuses. Fast action bonus number 1, 10K Blueprint Cheat Sheet, valued at $27. This cheat sheet is a handy checklist that makes it easy to get started. It breaks up the entire guide into easy-to-follow steps so that you can make sure you have all the highlights of everything covered inside right at your fingertips. Fast action bonus number 2, 10K Blueprint Mind Map, valued at $17. Some people learn better by looking at a mind map. This mind map gives you an overview of everything covered inside the guide. You can also print it out for quick reference anytime you need it. Fast action bonus number 3, 10K Blueprint Resource Guide, valued at $17. The resource guide gives you a quick point of reference to all of the resources mentioned throughout the guide. This makes it easy to plug in and stick with what you're looking for. Try this guide on my dime. There's no risk. There are a lot of people that claim to offer a solution on how to make $10,000 plus per month, so it's understandable if you're a little skeptical. I can keep telling you just how great my guide is, but you really need to go through it and see for yourself what it's all about to know if it's for you. That's why I'm going to give you a full 30 days to decide if this is for you. If for any reason or no reason at all you're not 100% satisfied with what's inside, simply send me an email and I'll refund every penny of your tiny investment. No questions asked. Click the button below now to lock in a huge discount and get instant access. Thank you so much for taking the time to take a look at this extremely limited offer that has the potential to help you earn $10,000 plus per month. I'll see you on the inside.